Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. No decision yet on uploading NPR along with the census. Indian government has not yet made a decision. Comes under GS2 governance. Conference and leadership. 2-day conference of directors of census operation included addressed by Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan. Census 2027 timeline. The first phase of census is 2027 is scheduled to begin in April 2026. Caste enumeration also done. NPR status updated in 2015. It contains household-wise data of 119 crore usual residents. Critical issues under NPR concerns. Methodological challenges, administrative uncertainty, public trust are under stake. Next news. Indigenous heavy water reactors get license. India's nuclear energy program has reached a significant milestone. Comes under GS3 Science and Technology. Licensing achievement. AERB has granted a 5-year license of operation of units 3 and 4 at Kakarpar Atomic Power Station. Safety review process. Licensing involved rigorous multi-tiered safety reviews over nearly 15 years. Reviews covered the entire reactor life cycle, sifting, designing, construction and commissioning. Operation status. KAPS-3 received full power operation clearance in August 2023 and KAPS-4 in August 2024. Future plans. NPCIL aims to construct 10 more 700 MeV PHW, other pressurized heavy water reactors. Licensing of India's first indigenously developed 700 MeV PHWRS is a landmark in country's civil nuclear program. These reactors underwent comprehensive multi-stage safety reviews. The move supports energy diversification, reduces fossil fuel dependence and aligns with India's net zero goal. Scientific and technical concepts involved. Pressurized heavy water reactor contains deuterium oxide as both moderator and coolant. AERB, independent regulatory body overseeing the nuclear safety and licensing in India. Fleet mode construction. Parallel construction of multiple standardized units to optimize time, cost and efficiency. Next is Google's AI overviews sparked an antitrust firestorm in European Union. Comes under GS3 Science and Technology. AI overview feature contains placed above traditional search Google results value. Feature is powered by Gemini model using retrieval augment generation. Publishers concerned, websites can't opt out of AI overviews without disappearing from Google search entirely. Regulatory action. Complaint filed with the European Commission and the UK Competition and Marketing Authority. Google's response. Google defends the feature, claiming it creates a new traffic opportunities and high quality clicks. Detailed insights include technical operation, regulatory concerns, publisher impact and Google's defense. Key concepts. Retrieval augmented generation combines real-time data retrieval with generative AI to produce fact-based summaries. Generative AI, a class of AI model that creates human-like content using training data. Antitrust law, legal framework to prevent abuse of market power and perfect fair competition. Lastly, why are Bihar's electoral rolls being revised? Election Commission of India has initiated special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar, raising questions. Comes under GS2 governance. Legal framework. Election Commission invoked Section 21 of Representation of People Act 1950 to initiate a nationwide SIR starting with Bihar. Aadhaar controversy excluded due to legal position, that is, it is not proof of citizenship. Critics points to Form 6 under registration of electoral rules 1960. Migrants and voting rights. As per Representation of People Act, ordinarily resident status applies even if the person is temporarily absent. Please try this mock question. Thank you.